Hi everyone, Ben here. Welcome back to the market. And this one, I'm going to give you an update on the gold market. So you can see here, this is the daily price chart of gold. And really, this bull market started back here in the fall of 2022. And it really got going when we broke out over this horizontal purple line near the beginning of 2024. And you can see ever since then, when we broke out, we've been forming these green sideways consolidation zones, or I'll call them energy fields. Every time we break out of one of these energy fields, we go a lot higher. And you can see the move really gets more aggressive each time we break out of these green consolidation energy fields. And I think we're going to break out to the upside on the gold price as well in the near future. And I also don't think this is the top of the market yet. And I'm going to explain to you why I don't think the gold market has topped out a little bit later on in the video. And here's the price of silver. It's moving a little bit differently than gold. You can see here this really large scale, I guess, sideways movement. Maybe we were creeping up a little bit in the silver price. And then right around here, sort of in the spring of 2025, the silver price really took off, and we went from below $30 an ounce up all the way. This is $120 per ounce. So that has signaled to me that the investors in the precious metal space are getting more emboldened, and they're starting to buy silver faster than gold in this final run up here. And I just don't think they have the confidence here in the market to buy a riskier asset like silver as compared to gold. But they finally kind of capitulated, I guess, and they started to buy silver a lot faster than gold, resulting in this really big spike up. That was about a four times upward move in a little bit in less than a year. Similar kind of action here. This is the daily senior gold miners price, GDX. You can see here we kind of had this slow kind of move up here, and then it took off more right at the start of 2025, and you see this big up move. So we went from 33.50 to around 117 points. So another outsized move compared to gold in the senior miners. And again, that's pretty normal to see. That's the riskier asset compared to gold. So the market was buying the senior miners since 2025 a lot more aggressively than they were buying gold. And that's what you want to see. You want to see that risk appetite increasing in a bull market. Here is the GDXJ divided by the GDX price, so the juniors divided by the seniors. So you don't see really a lot of outperformance in the junior gold miners as of yet. You can see it creeping up here. And just sort of like that silver price, it starts creeping up, and then it's going to really, I think, really take off here over the next year. We haven't done that yet. I think it's coming. And again, we're in that sort of energy field phase or consolidation of gold. But I think once we break out, you're going to see the juniors start to outperform the seniors, and you'll see this ratio chart really, really shoot up. And again, I think that's sort of the next phase in this market. We won't see necessarily silver or the seniors outperform, but I think the juniors move is coming, and we haven't seen that yet because I think naturally we're going to see that risk appetite in the market transfer over to the much more riskier juniors compared to the silver price. And again, this is kind of why I don't think the move is done, because we haven't seen that spike up in the juniors. You can see the valuations here, just way too low. This is the market cap divided by the resource. I think you'll see some of these names in these select juniors that I do own shares in these, by the way. I think you'll see some of these trading at $100 per gold ounce in the ground. So I do think that spike is coming here. I think the market is not done to the upside yet, and I think we will see the junior golds outperform the seniors and silver in this next leg higher. Of course, I could be wrong. It's just my opinion, and this is not financial advice. Please do your own research and make your own financial decisions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.